Hi guys, it's the Queen. It's my Talk to Me Tuesday for April 2nd, 2019. I have nothing to show you guys today except for the wall. How's that look? I need honest opinions. I figured a stone wall kind of looks like a castle since I call myself Queen of Creative and everything else is the castle here. I figured this would be a nice backdrop instead of that busy gallery wall that's over there. Right now, it's just taped up with some double stick tape in a couple of spots, just as a trial run to see how it goes. I don't like that shine right there, and that's coming just straight from the window. Oh wait, there is a light on over there. Hold on, I'm going to turn that off. Well, it's still there, so that must be coming from the window, and there's nothing I can really do about that because this natural light is great. It looks really good on this side over here. So maybe I'll just take this and relocate it over on a side that's not getting direct sunlight. That way we won't have this glare because that doesn't look too much like a stone wall with it got that shine on it. But I'm just playing around with different things, trying to figure out what to do. I want to improve my YouTube channel, so I'm recording a lot of content so that I can, in my downtime, spend some quality time editing, or even just have my daughter edit some things to get a different perspective. She's younger, she's more hip, she'll know what will draw the attention of the markets. But of course it will be a lot of crafting, DIY kind of stuff. You guys already got to see all the things that I had done last year with Jackson's birthday party. So I think I'm going to start there and make lots of videos from those projects because I did record everything that I did for his Grey's Anatomy party. And then I'll just build from there. I don't have anything else to show. I'm still working on Jackson's backpack. I got sidetracked because on Sunday I spent a lot of time sewing, but I was kind of distracted and couldn't really focus. All I could think about is the fact that their dad did not show up on Saturday to help cut down some things outside that are, I can handle them, but I just don't want to. I'm at that stage where I don't want to do it. So if somebody else can, get them to, right? Well, he lied and said he was coming and he didn't show up. And so now that put me another day behind of stuff that I need to do. And I just don't like when somebody interferes, or I don't like when people lie. So that automatically put me in a bad mood. So Sunday, all I could do was think about, just say no instead of saying yes and then don't show, because that's the worst, especially with all the stuff I've got going on. I've never asked for anything, especially from him. And so if I feel I need to ask him for something, I must really need the help. Well, let me bite my flippin' tongue before I say another word to that joker. Anyhow, I'm not going to vent here. We don't want to hear all of that. Anyhow, guys, tell me what you think of the wall. Do you think I should leave it, ditch it? I'm trying to come up with themes for my vendor booth, and I'm thinking that I'll use this as one of my backdrops for those videos. I'm going to try to do vlogs on that. My journey along into the world of being a craft vendor. I've got so many things going through my head, and I'm just trying to corral them all and actually get something accomplished. So the sewing kind of suffered, but I've got tonight, tomorrow, what is today, Tuesday? Tonight, tomorrow, and Thursday. And Friday's supposed to be super nice, so I'll probably be outside trying to get some stuff done during the day with the kids around, things that I can actually do with them, like rake all the debris and the leaves from behind the shed and get that bagged up, because we only have 2 free sticker days during the spring, which stinks because we have more leaves that collect over the winter than we do in the fall, when they have the free stickers, the free sticker bag weeks. So we're in a mad dash to get everything done and collected those 2 weeks, because it's $1.60 per sticker, and I had 14 bags to sit out, and I'll end up probably with 3 or 4 more this week. So that times $1.60, sorry city, you're already getting my materials, you're not going to get my money too. I understand that they have to process it and whatnot and blah 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 blah. Should be some type of fair exchange. That's all I'm saying. Anyway, guys, that's all for me. I hope you all have a crafty week. Hug the ones you love. Sorry, I'm on a selfie stick, so you can't get the whole Wakanda sign. Hug the ones you love. Stay crafty and creative, and I will see you in your videos. Bye.